Hello again. This is the last post for the discussions on how to post in there. So we started with introducing the requirements of what you should do in the discussions post. Remember, 3 times on at least 2 separate days, and there's 2 deadlines. We followed up with how you can provide a post using the equation editor. This last post is really just if you decide that you want to show work with a question or an answer by hand. And the way to do that is you can write up your work by hand and then take a picture of it with your phone. There is going to be some work on your end. You'll have to take that picture and either email it to yourself or find a way to get it onto your computer somehow. Once it's on your computer, though, then you can just post that work. So, for instance, let's say we're here and I see that somebody provided a post and somebody has now some answer. But let's say I want to provide that in a picture. I've finished the work from where this last person left off, and I want to provide that work as a picture. So the way that you can do that, so we'll reply to this person, and let me move this down a little bit. Okay. And really I can just, if I've taken a picture of the work and it's on my computer, I can insert the image. Let me bring this down. And then we can upload that image. So let me go to upload, and I believe I might have, let me go find this first before I, so here, let me go ahead and bring this down so you see it. Sorry. Bad delay there. So it'll open up a window and for you to be able to choose your image. I'm just going to choose a random image. It doesn't necessarily pertain to this question, but the thing is once you find the image, you can select it. You can click open. And then what it does is it starts to insert that image. You can store it as an attachment, meaning it just attaches to the post, or you can just store it in your course files. I'm going to add it as an attachment so that somebody can download it if they like. The next thing it asks you for is it asks you for alternate text. It's not required. You can actually just say that this is say it's a decorative image, and it won't require you to put anything in. So now you see that you have a picture of your work. Again, this particular picture does not pertain to the problem, but it's really just to show you the example. And that's how you can post a reply, and then you can kind of give a little bit of text, above, saying something like, here is the work for the remainder of the solution. Something short that kind of gives what that work is there. So those are the ways that you can do it. There are some additional ways which I won't go over in video. If you'd like, what you can do is actually show your work using Jing. Jing is a screen recording software. You can find that in the Read Me First section, or at least a link to it. And in that you basically would talk out the problem, similar to what I'm doing here in the video. If you have a tablet that writes, you can also screen record your tablet and then post that. That's another way to do it. If you're looking for information on that, then definitely let me know and I can provide it. Any other questions that you have, though, feel free to send me an email. Thanks.